What if you could automate your social media, put it on autopilot, and just sit back and collect checks without customers stopping using your service on a regular basis, taking lots of time to market for local businesses, or spending too much money on third-party SEO, ranking, and all those types of services? Well, now you can. Welcome to Social Oxygen, where all this is a reality. This is a revolutionary social media automation platform that has done-for-you social media. It is easy to use, it's fast, it's automated, and it can build you a massive recurring income. So now there's no more need to hire a social media manager, hire a bunch of writers, buy expensive software that's all confusing that you can't figure out, and then schedule everything by hand. No more. Let me show you exactly how this works. All right, so as soon as you log in for the first time, you're going to go through a real quick wizard where it's going to ask you like 4 pieces of information, and then boom, this is what you're going to see. We're going to have you connect your social accounts the very first thing because guess what? Everything's already done for you. Let me show you what that means. So once you get connected here, literally within 10 minutes, you're going to have content that's going to be streaming to your social media accounts. So I'm going to click right here on calendar. And you can see the calendar that is going to be set up for you. It's going to look just like this right here. You're going to have social media that's going to be posted today and tomorrow, and then you're going to have a quote of the day on Thursday, and then on Friday you're going to have Happy Friday, and then it's going to kind of go through here and do that again. So all this content is already in the system, ready to go. It's already approved, everything like that. And if there's any publishing errors, you can see them up here to help troubleshoot those. Sometimes the accounts aren't connected or there's a permissions issue, something like that. And you can edit the project right here. So everything's just all right here, nice and tidy, so you can get to everything in this project. Now, when I talk about projects, what I'm talking about are these up here at the very top. So you can see that there's, when you sign up, you can sign up for yourself, and then there's 2 unused projects right here that you can use for your clients. So you can start making money immediately. And you can start marketing to all different types of companies. Let me show you what I mean by that. So if we go here to content categories, if you signed up for the content, then what you're going to do is you're going to see all this down here. You're going to have 2 months worth of content for accountants and automotive and bankruptcy lawyers and car mechanics and transmission repair and carpet cleaning, and it goes on and on and on. There's like 90 different categories here. And one of these that you're going to find right here is social media right here, and you have 267 that's ready to go right now that you're going to be able to post on your own website to promote social media for yourself. And so these are the categories. Here's the templates right here. The templates are, there's 3 built templates right here that have been built using artificial intelligence. And let me show you what this looks like. Oops, I don't want to copy it. If you look at the template right here, it basically lists out all the different content at what times and what places, things like that for you to do. And so this is an advanced template right here. You also have an intermediate and a basic template right here. Let's take a look at the basic template. And so that's much more simple. This is basically posting every other business day with the customer's content, along with quote of the day, Happy Monday, Happy Friday for engagement, things like that. So these are the templates. You also have feeds in here, so you can pull in RSS feeds, Twitter, Facebook accounts from industry leaders in industry, and you can bring that content into your own social media very easily. So that's about it. The dashboard is really great. Once it's going, you'll see charts and graphs and what's coming up and all kinds of stuff there. Let me show you the white label stuff. So you have the white label up here. I've already set that up. But let me show you what the white label looks like. I'm going to click here on Manage this project. So I'm going to log in right here where it says John Customer. So that's just like a pretend customer that we added in here. You can add these under Settings and Users right here. And so I'm going to click on here to show you what it looks like from a user's perspective when they log in for the first time. So they're going to see your branding. Their name is going to be up here. They can put their picture in here if they want to. Some of them really like to do that. And then here's all the content that needs approval right here. So if there's content that needs approval, it's kind of like reading email. You just can kind of read the content. You can roll over it to see what the picture is. There's a motivational one. Here's another motivational one. You can see all the things that are in here, embarrassing social media mistakes that your business is doing right here. So these are all promotional things that you can use to sell social media to companies who are making social media mistakes. And so they can go here and they can quickly approve these just by clicking these buttons right here, or they can click on this button to choose all of them and approve all of them. And so once they're all approved, then they can come over here and they can look at their calendar and they can see everything that's going to happen for the month. They can take a look at what is going to be posted. They can see where it's going to be posted, and they can see when it's going to be posted for the entire month. So they're not bothering you about these types of questions. It's all available to them, and they can even add their own content in here. How awesome is that? How they can participate with their own social media, and they put it in here, and boom, it goes out to all their social media profiles, all at the same time. So that is a quick overview of the system right here. I hope that you like that. And if you have any questions, you can always reach out to support@socialoxygen.io. So that is how easy it is. It's really, there's nothing to it. You just set up 4 things, and guess what? If you can't figure something out along the way, guess what? We're right here waiting for you so we can help you along the way. Chris and Kevin are here waiting for you to answer your questions. So basically, 4 things. You set it on autopilot, off you go, and it could not be easier than that. So with Social Oxygen, you're not going to need to pay for expensive tools. You're not going to need to pay for expensive social media content. You don't need to compete with other companies like with SEO, because like with SEO companies, the next one that has like a great presentation, boom, they're gone and they're going to go with the other company, right? It's not so with social media. So you don't need to worry about lots of time spent on these projects. Most people only spend 15 minutes a month on each project. So if you've got like 10 customers, that's only like 2 hours in a month to make literally thousands of dollars in revenue. And you're making like 90% revenue on these things. So the great news today